Web design has a massive bottleneck. You design a beautiful, complex layout in Figma, but turning it into a working WordPress site takes hours of manual tweaking. Not anymore. Meet the Figma to Elementor AI Converter. Built by Devlara Studio, this tool bridges the gap between design and code. Export any Figma frame as paste-ready Elementor JSON in seconds. How does it work? It uses advanced AI vision. It reads your exact typography, matching font weights and sizes perfectly. It accurately calculates your padding, margins, and auto layouts. It even perfectly replicates complex gradients and drop shadows. Behind the scenes, multiple smart AI agents analyze your selection, translating pure pixels into high-quality Elementor structure. Got a massive page? No problem. The AI intelligently suggests converting section by section for the highest reliability. And best of all, it works flawlessly with both Elementor Free and Pro. Let's see it in action. First, launch the plugin inside your Figma file. Enter your email to verify your agency access. Next, simply select the elements you want to convert. We will grab this entire hero section. Click Convert with AI. The AI goes to work immediately. And within seconds, your code is completely ready. Just click Use This to copy the JSON format to your clipboard. Now leave Figma behind and jump straight into your WordPress dashboard. Open a blank page in the Elementor editor. Right-click the canvas and select Paste from Other Site. Hit Ctrl-V to confirm the import. And just like magic, your exact Figma design is instantly rebuilt in Elementor. A pixel-perfect translation. No coding, no manual rebuilding. Stop wasting hours. Get the Figma to Elementor Converter AI today on the Figma community.